Hi folks, Dan.McCaskill, Guaranty RV right here in Junction City, Oregon. Just going to show you a few rigs today, starting with this 2019 Winnebago Adventurer 35F. Great floor plan, so why don't we take a look inside and I'll go over a few things. Now the 35F has got a little bit of everything. In today's RV world, a lot of folks are wanting to go short as they possibly can, have as much bathroom space, storage space, and sleeping. So as you can see in this coach, you've got an overhead bunk here in the front that is power. It powers down right on top of the seats. Goes up, you've got plenty of room. You can see that big windshield there in the front. A little bit of storage when the bunks are actually down up here. So it's a good setup. There's good overhead bunks and there's bad ones. Winnebago does a great job with theirs. As you start right here, lots and lots of storage. Got storage here all the way down through the slide, and Winnebago does have a taller slide, some of them don't, so you get plenty of depth in these storage areas. And really nice wood finish cabinetry all the way through. Hard surface countertops, dual stainless sink. Plenty of storage here in the kitchen area, down below, and you got several pull-out drawers with actually a big pots and pan drawer that not all coaches have. When you get into the seating, you can see your kitchen and your dinette are directly across from each other. Makes it really nice. And then your living room area in this, they've mixed two floor plans here, and you have an extension that comes up, a little sectional couch. You can set the whole family real comfortably. All electric refrigerator, plenty of space in there. Then you have a 5,000 BTU fireplace, good sized television, and of course you can add your satellite dish and all that kind of good stuff. A little bit more storage here and all your components. So your slide room is here, power bed, turn it there. This coach does come with an energy management system, so when it drops below a certain amount of volts that it's pulling, it'll go ahead and fire that generator automatically. When you step back here into the bedroom area, again, Winnebago's known for their storage. Storage above the bed, two big wardrobes, big storage here, and then of course your dresser doors down on the bottom. All the way through, there's 6 big drawers right there. Nice thing about this coach, it's a rear bath coach, so you do get a little bit bigger shower. If I can get it open. Big skylight in there, lots of room, plenty of room around your toilet area so you can get your business done. A little bit of counter space by using the whole rear cap of the coach for the bathroom. You do get a little bit more counter space in the bathroom area. And a medicine closet here, mirror, small sink. Of course your TV, queen size bed on a slide. But overall, very well thought out, well put together floor plan that gives you a little bit of everything. It gives you the overhead bed, gives you the dinette, good sized kitchen area with counter space, storage, good sized bathroom. I mean, this floor plan really is a 10. They've done a great job with it. Outside storage is good as well. We're going to take a step out there and I'm going to go through some of the features on the outside. Now Winnebago, as you go through here, you're going to notice that all of these bays are insulated and it's a full pass-through underneath, especially in their Adventure line. Once you get to the Adventure line, you're going to have full body paint, you're going to have all your bays, you're going to have plenty of pass-through storage. It's just their top of the line gas coach that they build. And again, lots of storage here. Storage again. This coach is also on a 22.5 chassis, so it's on a bigger wheel and tire, and being 35 feet with the 320 horse motor and 6-speed automatic transmission, this coach has the weight to perform the way it should. You're not going to get blown all over the road. It's a great driving coach. 5,500 watt generator, 2 ACs, heat pump on one of those ACs, lots of great features. This is your water closet for the outside of the coach. Sewage is real easy to get to. It does have a septic flush. Outside shower, all the water is filtered going into the coach. As you can see, they put your power away, and this is the black water flush I was talking about. That black water flush is out of your main area, so it's not in with your fresh water. But overall, on a 35-foot floor plan, you can't do much better. This coach is set up with backup camera, side view cameras, slide toppers from the factory automatically. It is a very, very nice coach. And if you have any questions, again, my name is Dan.McCaskill. My phone number, 541-990-6560. And I hope you guys have enjoyed it. Thanks.